The eyes of the aviation world are all on Paris this week, and while most of us watch from thousands of miles away, many people catch the event in person.
Companies big and small make the trip overseas. For one Rockford-area man, it's like coming full circle back to the beginning of his aerospace business made in the state line.
That's basically how we got the business started, by coming to this show, and as far as opening up the European market for us.
That's why every 2 years, Brent Johnson, president of Midwest Aero Support in McChesney Park, flies across the pond to the Paris Air Show. He says he's only missed a couple of the shows since 1993. On the phone from Paris, Brent describes the event as massive.
Take the Super Bowl and multiply it times 50. It's the largest air show in the world that you'll ever see, and hundreds of thousands of people attend the show, and there's thousands of booths.
And those booths are filled with companies trying to sell their products or services. Brent knows many of them. He spent 8 years working for aerospace giant Saab, which is based in Sweden, before opening his own business here, and his European contacts keep expanding.
We have several relationships with quite a few companies in France, and it gives us an opportunity to visit all of them and try to expand our business.
We first visited Brent at Midwest Aero more than 2 years ago to get an idea of what the company does. The core of the business is repairing aircraft components, things like seats, but also systems that regulate pressure inside planes, parts that keep ice off wings, and electronics.
We are their authorized service center in North America for the products that they manufacture and have on various aircraft.
So when an airline buys a plane and something needs to be fixed, instead of sending products back to the manufacturer, it gets sent someplace like Midwest Aero. That's why an appearance in Paris is so important.
It's an opportunity to try to build more relationships with the original equipment manufacturers so that we can do more work for the airlines. And we also look to build some cooperative agreements with other companies that I really wouldn't consider to be our competitors, but, you know, they kind of do the same thing, and they'd like to have a presence in North America.
Midwest Aero isn't the only Rockford-area company represented in Paris. Collins Aerospace and Woodward also have teams at the show.